Hi guys, I am NCK. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the basics of interfacing the PIC microcontroller with RF module. Now we will see about PIC microcontroller, UART protocol, RF module and also about encoder and decoder. PIC microcontroller. Generally, PIC microcontroller has many families. Here I am using PIC16 of 877A. See here, this is the image of pinout of the PIC16 of 877A. Here I am using same microcontroller on both transmitter and receiver. You can use different microcontroller also. In general, PIC16 of 877A has 5 ports A, B, C, D and E. From that, in transmitter side, I use port B as input and port D as output. And in receiver side, I use port D as input and port B as output. Next one is UART protocol. UART means Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. The main purpose of this protocol is receiving and transmitting serial data. At transmitter side, the parallel data is converted to serial data and the converted serial data is transmitting through the wire or wireless medium. Here the image for your reference. And at last at the receiver side, it will again convert the received serial data again converted into parallel data. This is the main process occurs in the RS transmission devices. RF module. It is used to make wireless communication among devices. Multiple frequency ranges are available based on the model, but we can vary the frequency of the device by adjusting the input voltage. I choose 433 MHz RF module. Encoder and decoder. You already know more about encoder and decoder. It is a basic content of digital electronics. And in this project, we use encoder in the transmitter side to convert parallel data into serial data and decoder in the receiver side to convert serial data into parallel data. I show you a simulation. I use the Proteus 8 tool for the simulation. Let us see the simulation. Already I explained about some of basics, and this is the transmitter RF module transmitter, and this is the receiver for RF module, and this is the encoder, this is decoder, this is transmitter side and this is receiver side. Okay, and these two microcontrollers are PIC16 of 877A. You can use different also, for transmitter side PIC16 of 877A, for receiver side PIC18 of 2550 also you can use. Now I start the simulation. See, I given the input in the second pin of port B, and its the value is 0. 0 means not input, no input is given. It is a basic program to check the input data is correct or not. Whatever the data transmitted by the transmitter, the receiver is correctly received or not. Checked by the controller and give the output. See, I didn't give any input, so it shows the output has failed. It means there is no data is received. Okay. Now I change the input as 1. It shows as a received success, which means whatever the data we given in the receiver side, the received data is matched with the receiver side. It gives the output as received success. It is the basic things for RF transmission devices such as Bluetooth, RF remote control, Wi-Fi and all. If this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.